Since our early participation in the development of Matter, Tuya Smart's Matter solutions have now been applied to a growing number of protocols. Matter over Wi-Fi, Matter over Thread, Matter over Bridge, multi-ecosystems, Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, enable smart home products to achieve cross-protocol, cross-brand, and cross-ecosystem interconnection. So, how does the Tuya Smart Matter solution work? Today, we will demonstrate the interoperability scenario of the Tuya Matter solution. The Tuya-enabled app will serve as the commissioner to pair the device, and works as the controller to control the device. Power up the device. Open the Tuya-enabled app. Scan the QR code on the Matter device to easily pair and control the device. Matter over Wi-Fi filament light, plug, and LED strip without any hub and can be directly connected. The Tuya Matter gateway works as the Threadboard router and bridge at the same time, could support pair and control. Matter over Thread Lite, PIR, contact sensor and non-Matter protocol Zigbee devices. When the Matter device is connected through the Tuya-enabled app, an independent Matter network is formed, which we called Tuya Fabric. Use the multiple fabric function to generate sharing codes for activated Matter devices, and then share them with different apps to form different fabrics. Apple Fabric, Google Fabric, Amazon Fabric. A family could have different ecosystems and multiple fabrics, and a device could also join multiple fabrics. The same Matter device can be connected and controlled by different fabrics at the same time, and the data between each fabric is isolated without affecting each other. The goal of the Tuya Matter solution is to become the USB interface of the IoT industry, provide users with the simplest operation experience, connect all applications, and control all devices. Different from the way of adding smart products in the past, the Matter devices no longer need to be bound with voice skills, and can directly complete the local connection of devices and start voice control. Hi Siri, set light bulb to blue. Hey Google, set kitchen light to 100%. Hi Alexa, turn off the LED strip. The Matter protocol can realize different protocols to form groups, such as Matter over Wi-Fi, Matter over Thread, and Zigbee lights without Matter protocols can be jointly created as a group. Hi Siri, turn off all lights. Alexa, turn on all lights. In addition to supporting standard Matter features, the Tuya Matter solution also has more Tuya-specific features, such as timing, power statistics, music rhythm, etc., which greatly enrich the consumer usage. Alexa, play music. Tuya-enabled app could create automated scenes, and products can be scenarioed in real time. When you open the door, the Matter contact sensor will trigger the Arrive Home mode. The lights will automatically turn on. When you close the door, the Matter contact sensor will trigger the Leave Home mode. The lights will automatically turn off. Hi Siri, I'm home. Hi Google, I'm leaving. Matter is a protocol that focuses on LAN communication. When the device switches networks, it will not be able to be remotely controlled. Relying on Tuya Cloud, Matter devices could switch networks and remote control without worry. Tuya-enabled app could work as an OTA provider. When a Matter device requests an update, it can complete a software update for the device. And it supports simultaneous upgrade of multiple modules and multiple firmwares of the same product. So, how to start with your first Matter product? 1. Tuya IoT platform defines Matter product functions. 2. Select app control panel. 3. Hardware development and functional self-testing. 4. Purchase Matter product certification value-added services. 5. Start trial production and complete mass production. Just 5 steps, you can quickly, efficiently and cost-effectively develop Matter devices. What are you waiting for? Let's develop Matter devices with Tuya now.